Hello and welcome. My name is Aman, and I'm so excited to take you on a detailed journey through my workday. We all know that work plays a significant role in our lives, and whether you work from home, in a small office, or a large corporate setting, there are always tasks to manage, deadlines to meet, and goals to achieve. But what does it truly mean to have a productive day at the office? How can we strike the right balance between our responsibilities, stay focused throughout the day, and still leave work feeling accomplished and satisfied? In this story, I'm going to walk you through an entire day in my office, starting from the moment I wake up and ending when I leave the office. Along the way, I'll share insights into how I manage my time, stay organized, and work effectively with my colleagues. You'll get a look into the challenges I face, the solutions I come up with, and how I end each day feeling positive and fulfilled. I'll also share how I handle those unexpected moments when things don't go according to plan, and how I keep myself motivated and on track even when work feels overwhelming. A productive workday doesn't just happen by chance. It's something I've learned to create through consistent habits and a mindful approach to time management. While there are days when things don't go as expected, when meetings run over time, urgent tasks pop up, or things take longer than anticipated, I've found that keeping a calm and positive mindset helps me manage even the most stressful days. The key is to stay focused, tackle each task step by step, and stay adaptable when things change. One of the most important lessons I've learned in my career is the value of balance. It's easy to get caught up in the hustle of work, especially when deadlines are looming or the workload feels never-ending. But I've realized that maintaining a balance between hard work and personal well-being is crucial. While it's important to stay focused on my tasks and contribute to the team's success, I also recognize the need for breaks. Taking small moments throughout the day to refresh my mind and body helps me stay energized and sharp, allowing me to remain productive throughout the day. It's all about finding that harmony between pushing myself to do my best and knowing when to step back and recharge. Work is only one part of my life, and I've learned that how I balance work with family, friends, and personal time is just as important. At the end of a long workday, I find it rewarding to spend time with my loved ones, unwind, and enjoy activities that bring me joy. Being able to leave the office with a sense of accomplishment, both in terms of my professional tasks and my personal well-being, is essential to maintaining a healthy and fulfilling life. Before I take you through the specifics of my day, let me give you some background about my work environment. I work in a medium-sized office that has a friendly, dynamic atmosphere. There are a mix of people who have been with the company for years, as well as newer team members like myself, which creates an interesting blend of experiences and perspectives. While the office isn't too large, it's a comfortable space where everyone is approachable and ready to help when needed. We're a team that values open communication and collaboration, which makes the work environment pleasant and productive. The office is equipped with all the tools we need to do our jobs, and the layout is designed to encourage interaction and teamwork, even in such a busy setting. The culture in the office is something I value deeply. We have a shared sense of purpose and a commitment to delivering quality work. While it's a professional environment, there's also a sense of camaraderie that makes coming to work enjoyable. Whether it's sharing a laugh over lunch, discussing a project in the break room, or simply offering advice to a colleague, these small moments of connection are what make the office feel like a place where we can grow and succeed together. The structure of my day is simple but effective. I start my morning early to ensure that I have enough time to mentally prepare for the day. I've learned that the way I begin my day, how I organize my tasks, set priorities, and start working, can impact how the rest of the day unfolds. It's all about setting a productive tone right from the beginning. From the moment I arrive at the office, I focus on staying organized, keeping track of what needs to be done, and ensuring that I'm on top of my responsibilities. Whether it's answering emails, working on projects, attending meetings, or handling last-minute tasks that arise during the day, I try my best to give each task the attention it deserves. One of the key elements to my productivity is time management. As someone who handles multiple tasks, prioritizing is essential. I've developed a routine that helps me organize my day, manage my workload, and avoid feeling overwhelmed. I make to-do lists, break down larger tasks into smaller, manageable steps, and use tools like calendars and reminder apps to keep track of deadlines. This helps me stay on top of things and ensures that nothing slips through the cracks. I've also learned to be flexible with my time. Sometimes things take longer than expected, or an urgent task comes up, and I've learned how to adjust my schedule accordingly. In addition to staying organized, communication is a key part of my workday. The ability to effectively communicate with my colleagues is essential to the success of our projects and overall productivity. Whether it's collaborating on a project, sharing ideas, or seeking feedback, open and clear communication helps ensure that we're all on the same page and working toward common goals. At the same time, I make sure to be a good listener. Understanding my colleagues' perspectives and incorporating their feedback helps me grow as a professional and contributes to the success of the team. As much as work can be demanding, it's also incredibly rewarding. The satisfaction of completing a task, solving a problem, or achieving a goal is what keeps me motivated. Every day presents new challenges and opportunities to learn, and it's through these experiences that I continue to grow and improve. Work is not just about getting things done, it's about developing new skills, pushing myself to be better, and making a positive impact in the workplace. And while the work itself is important, it's the relationships I build with my colleagues, the teamwork we create, and the sense of fulfillment that comes from doing meaningful work that make each day truly special. As the day goes on, I make time for breaks, whether it's a quick walk outside, chatting with a colleague, or simply taking a moment to step away from my desk. I've found that these breaks help me stay refreshed and focused, preventing burnout and allowing me to tackle the next task with renewed energy. A balanced workday isn't just about working non-stop, it's about knowing when to take a break and when to get back to work. By the time the day comes to a close, I reflect on what I've accomplished. I feel proud knowing that I've contributed to the team's success and moved closer to achieving my personal and professional goals. It's not just about finishing tasks, it's about growing as a person, learning from my experiences, and continuously improving in my role. I leave the office with a sense of satisfaction, knowing that I gave my best effort and that there's always something new to look forward to tomorrow. Now that you know a little more about my approach to work and the environment I work in, let's dive into the specifics of my day. I'll take you through each step of my routine, showing you how I start the day, manage my time, tackle tasks, attend meetings, and make sure I stay on track. By the end of this story, you'll have a clear picture of what a typical day in my office looks like, and how I stay productive, balanced, and focused throughout it all.